Good morning, children. This is your mathematics class, and today we will practice some multiple choice questions. Okay, multiple choice questions, MCQ, because your first term examination will be multiple choice question type. Okay, so we will practice some multiple choice questions today. Choose the correct answer. See, in the first page, 2 questions are there. And for each question, you can see A, B, C, D. 4 choices are given. A, B, C, D. 4 choices are given. Then you have to choose the correct answer out of these 4 choices or out of these 4 options. There will be only one correct answer. There will be only one correct answer. You have to choose that correct answer from the given 4 choices. Okay. Now question number 1. Which of the following options is read as 35,635? 35,635. 35,635. So 635. So which one is the correct answer? You can say the answer directly. 35,635 is option C. 35,635. So the correct answer is choice C or C, 35,635. Okay, then question number 2. Dash thousands make a lakh. Dash thousands make a lakh. So you know how to write lakh in Indian system. It is written like this, 1 lakh. Now try to change this to international system of numeration. So after 3 digits, you give a comma. Now how will you read this in international system? It is 100,000, isn't it? 100,000. So dash thousands make a lakh. Answer is 100,000. So B is the correct answer. 100,000 make a lakh. Okay. The next one. The smallest 4-digit number formed using the digits 2, 7 and 1 is. See, 3 digits are there. 2, 7 and 1. And you have to write the smallest 4-digit number. So how will you do that? Just arrange the given digits in the ascending order. That is 1, 2, 7. But when you arrange, you can see that there are only 3 digits and you are getting a 3-digit number. But you have to write the smallest 4-digit number. So what you have to do, you already studied that we have to repeat the smallest digit. So which is the smallest digit here? 1. So repeat this 1. So what is the answer? Answer is 1,127. So option B. 1,127 is the smallest 4-digit number formed by the digits 2, 7 and 1. Okay, the next one. Question number 4. 1,000 more than 98,432 is. 1,000 more than 98,432. You know that when it is more, to find more of a number, what you have to do? You have to do addition. Okay, more always means plus. So you add 98,432 plus 1,000. Okay, so for this question, you will have to do this addition in a book, in a rough book. You should keep a notebook for doing the rough book. Find the answer there in your rough notebook and then you choose the right answer. Okay, 98,432 plus 1,000 and you are getting 8 plus 1 is 9. So what is the answer? 99,432. So the last one, D is the correct option. 99,432. Now question number 5. Roman numeral for 45 is. Roman numeral for 45. This one you can write the answer directly without doing any rough work. What is the Roman numeral for 45? 45 means 40 plus 5. And what represents 40? 40 is represented by XL. So 45 is XLV. The first one, A is the correct choice. Okay, XLV. Roman numeral for 45 is XLV. The next one, successor of the greatest 4-digit number is. Greatest 4-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? It is 99,999. Sorry, it is read as 9,999. Okay. Plus. How to find the successor of a number? To find the successor of a number, you have to add 1. So, plus 1. So, the greatest 4-digit number is 9,999 plus 1. So, what we are getting? 9 plus 1, 0. So, what is the answer here? It is 10,000. So, which is the correct option? First one, option A, 10,000. So, successor of the greatest 4-digit number is 10,000. That is choice A. Now, moving on to question number 7. Difference in the place value and face value of 5 in 35,602. Difference in the place value and face value of 5 in 35,602. See, this 5 is in which place? 5 is in the thousands place. So, what is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 5,000. So, 5,000. Difference means minus. 5,000 minus place value and face value. Difference in the place value and face value. What is the face value of 5? Face value of any digit is the digit itself. So, that is 5. Okay, so 5,000 minus 5. So, you have to borrow from here 4. All this becomes 9 and the last one becomes 10. So, 10 minus 5 is 5. 9, 9, 4. So, what is 5,000 minus 5? It is 4,995. So, the last one is 4,995. So, the correct answer is choice D. Okay. The next one, the standard form of 90,000 plus 0 plus 100 plus 80 plus 5. See, this given one is the expanded form. You have to write the standard form or the short form. Okay. 90,000. So, 9 should come in the 10,000's place. There is no digit in the thousands place. 0 there. Then 100's place it is 1. Then 10's place it is 8. And 1's place is 5. So, what is the answer? Thousands place should be 0. There is only one number in these 4 choices whose thousands place is 0. So, 90185. C is the correct choice. Okay. 90,000 plus 0 plus 100 plus 80 plus 5. The short form or the standard form is 90185. The next one, dash should be added to 6,749 to get 7,000. Dash should be added to 6,749 to get 7,000. So, what you have to do? 7,000 is the sum. Okay. Then one number is 6,749. You have to find the other number that is to be added to 6,749 to get 7,000. So, how will you do that? Is sum minus the given number. So, the sum is 7,000 minus the given number is 749. On subtraction, you will get here 6. Here it is 9, 9, 10. So what you are getting? 1, 5. Then here 2. So the answer is 251. And where is 251? It is choice B. Okay, 251. So 251 should be added to 6,749 to get 7,000. So remember how to do this one? The sum minus the given number. That is 7,000 minus 6,749 gives 251. Then the last question, the final result obtained after addition is called. The final result obtained after addition, answer to addition is called what? It's a very easy question. You can write the answer directly without doing any rough work. Okay, is it quotient, sum, difference or product? Which is the correct answer? Answer to addition. The correct answer is sum. So choice B, sum. Okay. So this is multiple choice question pattern. You practice questions like this at home. Okay. Thank you.